Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Uda Hogora, and if you are not new on this channel, you know we were doing everything in Kinyarwanda, but now we've switched to English, and I hope you stay with me. And if you are new, welcome. This is some very delicious rice that we are going to cook today with sausages and green beans. You know, it's very easy to prepare, very affordable, and the results are really impressive. So we are cutting this sausage down into small pieces. You can even use raw sausage. After cutting down the sausage, we are pouring some olive oil on the pan, then cook on very low heat or medium heat just to avoid burning the food. We are also going to add the green pepper. You see, we are also cutting these onions. You can even use white onions. It's all good. After chopping them down, we will add them to the sausages that were cooking on medium heat. Then continue to cook all of them together. We will also cut the green beans into small pieces. You don't have to use very large quantities. It's just for the big and good flavors that we have to combine to have some very delicious rice. Then we will add the green beans to the sausages and the bell pepper and onions. Then continue to cook, but not really. We will not wait any longer. We will add the tomatoes. You know, the green beans will cook with the rice. Then we will add some paprika, then garam masala. This is like 1/4 of a teaspoon for each of the spices. Then we will add, this is ginger and garlic. Then we will add rice. Then we will add 3 cups of boiled water. Because we used 1 cup of this rice, we will add the same quantity of water, 3 times the cup that we used to measure the rice. Then some salt. Then we will cover and wait. You see, after some time, our rice is ready to serve. You can eat it with anything. You can eat it with some salad. You can just eat it with anything. It doesn't need any side dishes. You just have to eat it like this. It's very delicious, very easy to prepare. Thank you so much for watching, and please always come back. Bye bye.